Hey everyone, Mike here from ContentFold, and got another short video for you today. This video is going to be talking about your blog settings, particularly if you have our pro account, our highest level account with our WordPress plugin. Okay. If you do not, don't worry. We have another video that covers a little more in depth of where your blog is hosted on, contentfold.blog. You get your own URL, you get everything right there. You don't have to set up anything. It's hosted for you, but this is for our pro users. Okay. So with that said, obviously it shows that I'm connected to WordPress right here. The main thing that I kind of want to show you is two things. And again, this is a short video. If you just want to re-verify connection and make sure it's all set up, I will have a separate video of actually connecting the WordPress. If you go to view public blog, if you have a pro version, you have the WordPress account, this is going to take you, as you can see, it's loading. So we'll say michael.contentfold.blog. This is not going to load, right? So this is saying that I have something else right here. I then go to WordPress and it takes me to Simplify Broad. Okay, so everything is linked up. So again, once you link that, you won't have this view public blog. It will take you to your actual WordPress site that you hooked up, just so you're not going to host it twice. You don't want to have duplicate content or anything like that for Google. Now, for the most important part of this video is I want to talk about the technical and the creative. So technical, as you can see, which I just highlighted. In the future, we'll probably add one more kind of like blog setting, tone setting. But for now, we're very, very happy with technical and creative. And so technical, just to be clear, is mainly for tutorials, how-to guides, reviews, educational content, things like that. The big thing on top of technical is there's pretty much no embellishment. So whatever you talk about in your video is exactly what is going to be put into the blog. Okay. And I do have an example for this. So one of our users is a pretty big reseller. And for some reason he had creative clicked on. And in one of his videos, he was talking about packing and shipping things. And it just made up I guess the creative sides decided that bubble wrap was the choice. Like this is the choice for every single thing that you ship. And in particular, bubble wrap was actually the exact opposite of what he wanted to use for this particular type of item that he was shipping. So the moment he switched to technical, no problems like that again. All right. So anytime you want something very, very specific or very exact on top of a topic, technical is the route to go. All right. Now, as for creative, as I click down here, creative is a lot more for travel, lifestyle, entertainment, vlogs. And the best example I have is this kind of this simplified broad example that we're giving right now, right? There was a blog created recently, actually I can find it, that we talked about some of the best places to kind of like live in Valencia, Spain. And we actually did not mention a certain place and it threw it in there anyway with some pretty good points. And so I'm going to show this right here. And actually it's content queue and it's right here. So it's this blog post. Where to stay in Valencia, Spain. And it is, and again, as you guys can see, I will show this, very nice Pinterest images. We've got our video right here. We got links. We got affiliate links down here, right here, Peña. So this is very close to the Tria. It is great for pets, pet owners. It is great for families because it's, even if you're living in an apartment or a flat, you can actually overlook the Tria. You can walk there in 2 minutes. The kids can run wild. It's a very safe area. Peña is actually somewhere we did not mention in this video, and the creative side of it did its research, saw everything that we recommended, kind of saw the criteria that we had, and added Peña to add even more, not just content but actual like even better information to the blog post and make it more helpful to people. All right. So again, just something quick I wanted to show you. This is right here in your blog settings. Again, this is 100% for those on our highest tier with the WordPress plugin. I will have a separate video for those who, even if you're on the highest tier and are not using the WordPress plugin, or all other users who will be hosted on contentfold.blog. Again, that is set up automatically for you. You don't have to do anything about that. We will host the thing completely for you. So I hope this kind of makes sense. This is very, very important, particularly the technical and creative side. For the selection for your channel to make sure you're getting the right kind of tone and creative voice print that you're going for. But other than that, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.